lovely people! How are you today? I'm B. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make a lamb roast. It's a leg and a duck roast. So I will show you guys steps by step how you make this prepared and ready for the rotisserie over there. As you can see, I already put the coals on and it's firing already. So we will make sure it's already all red before we put the meat on. So let's start. So first we will be putting, oh no, I have to put a cut on the meat. I will put this because it's windy over here. So it keeps flipping my, this one, how do you call this? It's a plastic. Yeah, so you have to put a shallow cut on the meat. This is, by the way, this is a lamb, and you just have to put a shallow cut horizontally. Oh, this one is on the edge of the, and to the other side. And take note, guys, make sure that you make the meat dried as possible. It's up to you how you can make it dry, so the ingredients that you're gonna put will soak into the meat. You have to put another cut. It's a crisscross. Yes, so yeah, and you put some hole on the meat because later on and I already prepared the garlic over here, but before that we will put the binder into the meat. Just a little bit of oil and rub, and by the way, I washed my hands before I prepared it, so it's all clean. And take note for all the girls that watching my video, there's a saying that the way to the man's heart is through the stomach. So if you can do this cooking well, I promise you guys, the man will stay forever. Isn't it? Is it true? Well, comments on the comment section if you're good in cooking and your man stay. We will make this first, and then I have garlic. We have to cut it into like that. And remember, I put a hole on the meat and insert a garlic into the hole like that, and make another hole, put the garlic in, another hole in.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore.
And we flip the meat on and put the hole.
Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's
I hope you like this video and it will give you idea how to cook this one, or if you already know how to cook a roast lamb, you can share me your recipe, because I always want to learn new recipes. And the next steps, I have rosemary here, and we will be putting this in the same hole as the garlic is in, like that.
You know that pineapple does.
We're having a wedding here. It's the garlic and the rosemary together. They will live happily ever after. And by the way, you might be thinking why I will be cooking a lot of food. We're cooking for not just for us, but for our neighbor as well. So we're cooking for 11 people, 11 person.
Go on pizza. They just don't belong.
And the next step is putting a rub into the meat. It's a dry rub. The reason of putting the dry rub is to make the meat red. You just rub. Woo. Okay, it's all set. So we'll make the stick ready. The thing is, let's poke the stick into the middle. Yep. And put the meat in. This one has to be and we now putting aside the roast, the leg of the lamb, so because we will be making the duck ready. So we will be putting onion, but this one is different because you can put the ingredients inside the duck, because as you can see it's whole duck. So yeah, you just have to chop the onion. Like 4 pieces. And then put it there. Just have to stuff it inside like that, and put the rosemary in, and like that, and a little bit of garlic. So let's put a small string into the leg, so it will close the gap in together, like this one. So the gap there, you can close it, so all your stuff inside cannot come out while it's rotating in the rotisserie. and put a binder and to the sheet. As you can see, plop plop. Okay, there's a binder. Quack quack, said the duck. Later on. Don't forget to share your recipe to me if you have some. Can you see that? It's so big. It's look like we're having a fiesta in here. Okay, so everything's ready, guys. Now we're putting it into the rotisserie. There. And on. Yeah. All good. It's ready. Exciting.
A few moments later.
Yeah. As you can see, it's still cooking. Take a little bit longer. We have to take 4 to 5 hours before it could be done. So I'm just checking. I still have enough coals on it, and yeah, it's looking good. As you can see, I put some more coals because it's not gonna make it, so we have to add some. As you can see, still cooking. Maybe 2 more hours. Okay guys, the rotisserie is almost ready. As you can see, yeah, it's done. We're going to chop it now because it's already done. It's almost dark, guys. Can you see? As you can see, it's almost dark and the moon is already there. And I changed my outfit because I goes to the gym while this one is cooking. It takes long. So, yeah. Oh, sorry. Ooh. There.
Oh my goodness.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look.
Let's get stuck.
And take note guys, it's hot, so you have to be careful. If you have gloves,
My face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place.
As you can see, it's so soft.
And something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple toasted, go on pizza. It's a fruit.
gee, it's perfect. It's perfect.
that pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
It's perfect. It's so tender and soft. Perfect. Perfect. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again next time. This is all for now. We'll enjoy the meal and I hope everyone can enjoy this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.